Let's create this water condensation in few clicks. We will be using this free geometry nodes group setup, condensation particles. Drag and drop on your models to see results instantly. Link in description. After downloading, you will get this condensation particles blender file. Place it in a folder and name it. In my case, it's Droplets nodes. Next, open Blender. I will be applying the water droplets on this leaf. Head to Edit, Preferences, and select Asset Libraries. I have already created one, but let's delete and do the process again. Click on the plus bottom to add an asset library. Select Add Local Asset Library. Now select the folder that has the condensation particles blender file. Click Add Asset Library. Save preferences and restart Blender. Now let's head to our asset browser. You will find the condensation particles file in the unassigned section. Or click on the All Libraries drop-down and select the folder we created. Drag and drop on the object we want the water droplets on. Click on Water Droplets in the Collection section to show the droplets. You can control the density, scale, random seed to your lichen to get different results. Let's add an HDRI and switch to cycles to see results. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.